So, got some today. Well, pretty much Monday. Just in case you're wondering, I'm in Florida. So, just to give you a hint, I'm buying something crazy like this. Y'all ready? Alright, so, for the packaging. I'm not putting it together because it's going to be a while. Some other small stuff. Let's see. I know you probably see. There you go. It's the battery though. Ooh yeah. This box to the side. It's a heavy duty one too. Thing. This is dope. Definitely dope. Dope. I advise y'all to get it. I only got it because it's wintertime. Always get everything the opposite of the seasons. It'd be a whole lot cheaper. I'll put the link below though. So, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Let the thing go up and down. You can fold it. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna give me another one. So let me turn it around towards y'all. Whoa. I forgot I ain't got this stuff together. I'm gonna have to take off. Anyways, grab this. So here's a light right there. Pretty dope. Don't know what this is, but I'm gonna find out. Looks like some type of lever. Switches, good old stuff. Brakes. The grip pad is amazing. I like it. It's pretty good. Yeah, doesn't look hard to do, but braking system.